be recorded. We are going to be teaching you how to create a charitable video while using this flow, Google Flow, I guess. And clicking on create a new project, so it's loading. Yeah, let me just put this on. Go ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna make I don't know really what I'm gonna make with that. I'm gonna just create a prompt and a girl, I guess. I think it's gonna be I don't know. I think it's 3 girls, yeah. 3. Which successful. I think this is gonna be how, yeah, successful girls. And then I don't know what it's gonna look like. Well, that's gonna be coming up soon. Yeah, cartoon and I'm friendly style, I guess. Yeah, I never wanted them to be teenagers. I wanted them to be kids, but I think I can make it. It does. Yeah, we to see and go here and click on and go here. Then, but if I take it to videos and it's 4x, it shows the creator, and I cannot go change and see if this 5x or 6x. But and by the way, this image will only generate while using 0 credit, but the video will only use 80 credit for the file. 3x is 60, 2x is 40, and 1x is 20. I'm gonna stick with 1x. What about the image? I'm gonna choose it to there then. Control V and yeah, upload it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for all the things to load. And that's coming, so this thing can go faster. I don't like it when it's always taking so long, but now it's generating. I think this might actually be working. I'll see. Let's see. This one is that more Adam style. Yeah, but if we're going down, you can see this is with a laptop. This one is literally wearing glasses. This one is also wearing glasses. Same laptop, but this two are glowing. This one isn't. I think this one is off, and this one is really cool, I guess. Ooh, this one really caught my interest on this one, but I chose this one. Now I'm gonna do something complicated. I'm gonna do something very, very complicated to what I wanted to do, but I think it's gonna work. I think make 1, 2, B. while saying only one catchphrase. So now I'm keeping on doing this, and she's only gonna be saying one catchphrase, as I said. Yeah. And all the stuff. I'm not really gonna read everything. I'm just gonna read it like this. Let me see the options, just these anything I would like. Yeah, I'm gonna just highlight it here. Yeah, and stop at emotions, Control C, then go here and now go out, then change it to video, go to 1x and click on start. I think I'm gonna use something, and let me start, yeah, then Control V, and now while it's applying, as I said in all my videos, like everything, all of the videos always take long to load, basically longer than the pictures. Yeah, but now this picture, she's looking like a vampire, yeah. Plus she has different eyes colors. Or am I colorblind? I don't know. Well, now I'm waiting for this thing to load at 18%. Well, it's gonna take long. I just feel like making this speed running faster. I don't know. I'm just waiting. It's gonna take forever. So I'm just waiting right here, doing almost literally nothing. Finally uploading. Yeah, let me just click here and then this up, play it. Now let's see what it is. Yeah, I'm waiting for this thing to work. Just how this thing to work. I think this is gonna be like yeah, it's 8 seconds. Let me guess. Yeah, I've already played it once. I'm playing it twice. So let's keep on doing this. Now I'm just gonna where's the level? I'm gonna choose this one. And if the condition is sorry. Yeah, I don't really know what this thing is. I don't know which one I should choose. Help. I think I should choose helping her. Next thing, going home, or next thing, resting out here. Yeah, I'm gonna highlight this one, the other one. Yeah, there's no really use for doing this anyway. Plus, if I highlight almost everything, it's like you know, crazy. So I'm just gonna do what I normally do. I'm not gonna waste much of my credits. It's just gonna be 4 videos. Then I'm ending this. It's already not loading. That's minus 20 for my credit. Ugh, I don't wanna waste my credit, but I have to for this video. I'm just keeping on humming because it's not safe for me to do. Yeah. 28%, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 52, 53, 54, 56, 57, 58, 59. I'm just gonna take forever. I'm gonna join right now. Alas. So that's what that turned out. This is how it turned out.
I'm making the video.
Just ignore like odd sounds. Guys, just ignore the sounds. Just ignore. Like I don't know if I have that much left, but since if they have 3 more options, I'm just gonna hide it then. Yeah, why is it not? What? Finally! Just one more video after this one, then I'm gonna end the video. So this video is gonna be pretty long though, so while this is loading, don't forget to like and subscribe, and probably they don't subscribe to my brother's channel. I want to get more than his likes and views. So this is loading the window. Go else, you're gonna see Ceramichizer in your bed. Your worst nightmare is gonna be under your bed too. So you better do that. Yeah, some people might say they don't have worst nightmares, but they actually have. Let's get back here. Now it's 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 52, 53, 54, 56, 57, 58, 60. Yeah, it's gonna start generating soon. So I don't even think about worrying. Yeah. I'm not talking about warriors like warriors warning. I'm not talking about yeah, this is gonna be hard. Drink what? I'm never gonna watch that again. Man, this is gonna be the last one. Yeah, this is after I click here, that's the last one. Yeah, so this video is gonna be like a bit more minutes. What should I say? Seconds. Let's just see it and go here and here and Control V. Now waiting for it to load again. And I don't really want to record 5 videos because if anyone fails loading, you have to start all over again, and I don't want to do that. I'm just praying it doesn't start all over again. Well, I can just type what happened next myself in here, but I don't want to. I prefer using ChatGPT. I'm just while I wait for this thing to just load. This is so annoying. I'm just gonna add it lower itself. Yeah, I'm just gonna be waiting. Finally, geez, it doesn't really have to take time to just load. Ouch!
You have them right? Just do it. Let's each other go.
Yeah, there was. I just imagine that being like 8 seconds. Now just one more to go. No, I don't know if I can really do anything from this. Maybe at the bottom X. No. I don't know why it's not letting me click here. Yeah, I want to click here. This isn't working, guys. I don't think these apps this option is not gonna work. Yeah, I just well, I guess this is the end of the video, I guess. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video to all your friends, or at least 5 friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Lilies.